Hi, Redneck Asian, reporting for duty. Today I've got my plumber's hat on and this new headlamp. You know, I have a thing for headlamps. And my assignment is to replace the cold water from about this elbow all the way up to here, and the hot from this elbow all the way up to here. Replace it, put a flush valve in to then be able to clean the water heater, which I've actually never done. It has been installed, I don't know how many years, but it's never been done. And it's supposed to be done every year. I think it might even be 7 years old for all I know. I've gone ahead and turned off the water to the house. And my first step is to go ahead and sweat this with the heat gun. And I'm going to try to reuse this fitting. If I damage it, I have to replace it. If I don't, that makes the job a lot easier. Wish me luck. That was easy separation. Okay. That was the right tools, baby. Now I need to use this 1-incher. Now I need to bend this baby. Oh my god. Then I need to shove it in. Oh man. Are you too short? Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Now you, my friend, I think will work just fine. Are you enough? Maybe it'll go one more. That should be good. All right, I think I turn the water onto the house and see if anything is leaking. I believe I'm done. I'm going to run a dehumidifier in here because I did get a good amount of water for various reasons. But I think I'm done tightening each connection. I don't see any more droplets. But the way to really know is to check back tomorrow. But I think I did. All right.